Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily integrate Google Calendar with basically anything you want at Zapier.com. First things first, as you can see, we are at Zapier.com where we love to create integrations. First things first, we have to log in into our account or create a new one. They are offering really nice option for free account or some kind of freemium. And once we do that, we want to focus on top left corner on create Zap. On top left, yet again, we can name our Zap. So we can go with Google Calendar, just like that. And yeah, I'm creating this video because it's 2023 already, and a couple of things have changed at Zapier. Also, they introduced some kind of facelift for the website. So we want to start with the trigger. The trigger is obviously Google Calendar. And once we are in here, we can pick for a lot of events, and I want to go with event start. We hit continue. We have to really focus on those green dots. So we're gonna pick the calendar. We hit continue. Calendar will be from my account. We hit continue. And the very important thing is to test the trigger between Google Calendar and Zapier, so they can send each other messages between each other. So we hit continue, and now is time for the action. I would like to go with, for example, Microsoft or Google Sheets, sorry. And we're gonna hit the Google Sheets. As you can see, now let's pick an event. So this is very important analogy. When events start in Google Calendar, it will, for example, create a spreadsheet row or create a worksheet. Let's go like that. Continue. Now we have to pick an account. We hit continue. Yet again, we are getting the green dots, so you know we are doing something right. Let's go with my Google Drive. Spreadsheet value, let's go with the work one, title, test event, and let's test the action between those two. And as you can see, we get all the green lights. So all we have to do is click on Publish Zap, and our integration will be done. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.